because this is how you're gonna separate yourself from everybody else.
What in the world?
So your competition, if whatever your competition is, you got to see what they have. So if your competition have a website, you should have one. So this is how you be unique and stand out. Like, I talk about this a lot. It's about, being indispensable. If you're indispensable, then you are over everybody else because you're becoming recommended. So this is how you do that. So this is technology is moving fast. So if you want a voice and you want to change for your life, then you got to get on camera and talk. So you can't be camera shy. And I used to have feeling funny about how I looked and how I not how I looked, but how I sounded on camera. Thank you, Pop.
Chip off the old.
So thank you. So this is the stuff that you got to do. I mean, it's a little challenging, but we can look it up. It doesn't take that long. It's more practical to do. Like when I was coming up, you had to learn how to do code, but now we got WordPress. So now you can get WordPress and get on YouTube and look at the video 2 or 3 times. You got to cut the Netflix off for a minute, cut the game off. So yeah. So, you got the hours, so you just got to put the hours into that thing.